Let's see how to remove words from dictionary in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that you want to remove a certain word in your dictionary in Microsoft Word. And let's say that we want to make sure that this word doesn't get flagged by Microsoft Word as a word. Now what you can do is first click on the File tab, and from here, click on Options. From here, click on Proofing, and click on Custom Dictionaries right here, and you should be able to locate your dictionaries in Microsoft Word. And let's say that you want to edit the words in this dictionary right here, roaming custom, or the default dictionary that is used in Microsoft Word. Go ahead and click on Edit Word List. And from here, we can see all of the different words that we've added to the dictionary. Now let's say that we want to remove these two words in Latin. So delete and delete. Now click OK, OK, and OK again. And now whenever those words come up, we can see that they are now going to get flagged by Microsoft Word since they are no longer part of the dictionary. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.